Hello, my name is Stefan. I'm from TB Outdoor, and we are setting up a booth here in Germany at IVA and presenting all of our knives. Most of the knives are actually being made for the army, French army and other armies. These knives are very robust and very lightweight. These are the two things that we need to that we want to promote about our knives. You probably know the CAC, the CAC, the one that we deliver to the French army. This is the one. It's a very lightweight and strong product with many hidden qualities like this. Here you can tighten the blade if you like and fix the setting with the second screw. A nice mechanism for right-handed and left-handed people. The clip can be reversed. There is even a corkscrew on some of them if you need. And this is for the French army, so that's probably the explanation. And then you also have a glass breaker on the back of the knife. We have changed this recently. Exchanged the old version with a carbide here, which is much stronger. And yeah, in few words, that's the CAC. It's a great product, very robust, and we love it. And then we have many fixed blades knives too. The newer version of the knives is this one there. We called it Impact 127. 127 being the weight of the knife, of this knife, full stainless steel. This one is full black, and it's everything is very precisely machined, and it's very robust too. And once again, the lightest that we can do with the quality involved. Oops. This knife is being sold with a sheath, with a glass fiber sheath. So it's also very robust. And when you put your knife into the sheath, then you know you are in the right position. You only have to push the knife into the sheath to make it work, and then you can hold the knives on you on the horizontal position or vertical position. So you can carry it like this or like this, and when you carry it like this, it's very easy to remove from the sheath. So that's the newer of the bunch, and so it's called Impact 127. This one is called Bivwak. Bivwak is the oldest from the collection. It used to be the French Army knife back in 1996, and was in the army for years. He was followed by the Baruder, which is not in the range anymore, and then the CAC that I showed you previously. Here are some other fixed knives. The Commander, which is very feel great in the end, very comfortable to use, mainly for hunting and for outdoor stuff. But it's very nice in the end. And then it comes in two different versions, with a nice wood called Ziricot, and one with a G10 handle, which is the one here. Marauder is a much bigger knife, even stronger. Once again, with a very nice edge. All the edges are made with robots, which is a strong point to make sure the edge is always tight, always great. So you can replace the paracord with a G10 handle, or remove your handle and put some paracord instead. Vengeur is probably the top of the line for outdoor and military use. It was designed for the ALAT in France, the helicopter pilots, as a survival knife. And like all our knives, it has many tricks up its sleeves. Like when you carry the knife, when you put your thumb here, you know what side the knife is, because if you reverse, then you have a point here that tells you what side it is. And then here you have another window glass breaker, which is much stronger than the CSE one, with a much bigger ball, a bigger bearing ball, yeah. And then you can also unscrew the back of the knife, and then there is a knife ignifier here that you can use with the back of the blade here, and then it's waterproof, so the water doesn't get inside. Here you have holes if you want to stick the knife on a stick or whatever, and you can put your paracord here, here, and here. Or if you want to use it, so you can use your hand and the knife at the same time. That's great. And even the sheath is nice. When you put the knife in it, then there is a security. No one can take the knife from you, unless you need to put your thumb underneath here and release the knife. Otherwise, you can't get it out. And you can even go further than that and really fix the knife on the sheath, so then there is no way to remove it unless then you unclip the sheath. So that's very well done, I think. And then it's sold with accessories, with a tack clip to hold the knife, and you can hold the sheath in different position, and you also have a sharpener, diamond sharpener, sold with the unit. The Patriot was kind of the first knife that we have designed to get to this design there. So this is a very limited edition, and I'm not even sure that we still have some in stock. Probably very few of them, if we still do. And the last one that I wanted to show you is the Unboxer. Unboxer is a very, very light product, and actually, if you look at the knife, you don't even see any metal part inside, because there isn't any. So that's the reason why it's so light. But despite the fact that there is no metal, no spring, nothing inside, there is a mechanism, and you can hear the mechanism, but actually the blade is the mechanism itself. So the blade carries the edge, but carries the mechanism also. So it's right-handed, left-handed. You can open it and close it with one hand, and same as the CSE, you can loosen the mechanism and fix the settings with the second bearing here. And last thing that I want to show you about this product. Even the belt clip, you can remove the belt clip without any tool, without anything, and exchange, or just leave it without if you like it this way better. So there is a stripe here that doesn't make things easy, but it's a product that I really like for everyday use. You know, quick stuff, open, close. Very quick. And maybe this one. This is a neck knife. It's called S-neck. It's a very small neck knife, sold with the kydex sheath and some paracord that you can either use for around your neck, or to use to strap your handle. And in few words, that's pretty much the range of the products today. Many products are under designing process now, and should be available by the end of 2024. We have great stuff coming by the end of 2024 and beginning of 2025 for a great new concept of fixed knives coming soon.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.